How's it going, internet land? Welcome to Car News Daily. Today I got the review of this mini wing I got, and look at that cut right there. Got it on the first cut right there. We go all the way across. Perfect. So yeah, I gotta rate this thing 10 out of 10. It's just the perfect fit. There are some better ones out there, a lot more expensive, a little fancier, but for what I was trying to do right now at the moment, it's just literally perfect. So it just fits there good. Obviously got this thing, the car radio. It's actually a vortex generator, technically. That's why it's that shape. And the wind tunnel tuss, it does, better aerodynamics. And then if you look at the wing, the middle of the wing has kind of like a little spaced vent in a way, and that's gonna kind of fit into that vortex generator area. So it's better aerodynamics. See the under part of it. And of course, I got the Japanese letters on there, and that spells never give up in Japanese. So there you go. If you're working on your car, that's the quote of the day: never give up, just keep working on it. Don't plan too much, don't strategize too much. Just start as fast as you can, get it started as fast as you can, and once you start working on it, you'll start picking up speed and you'll start getting things done a lot faster. And this whole install probably took less than 30 minutes from start to finish, and it matches perfect with the paint, carbon fiber, but this would probably match on any car, carbon fiber. So yeah, give it a like, subscribe, comment, share it, tweet it, whatever you got. Add it, friend it, and that's it. 10 out of 10. This thing is like literally the easiest install. It comes with 3M double-sided tape. Put 2 strips on the bottom under it. That's using up the whole roll that they give you. It allows for like 2 strips of that under there, and that's all you need. I was thinking you might need a 3rd strip to hold it, but you don't. It's just perfect the way they give you it. If you want the link for the item, let me know. I'll send you the link. You buy the same one, and the tape under is like extremely strong. It's, I guess, a good quality 3M double-sided tape, because the thing doesn't move. All right, I'm out.